As your online store grows, you need to add variations to your products to better satisfy your customers' preferences. But doing this in WooCommerce is a time-consuming task, as you need to activate the use of variations for the product attributes one by one. To help you with this, we'll show you how to activate the Used for Variations option for all your product attributes at once, using the WooCommerce Product Spreadsheet plugin. It displays all your products on a spreadsheet for you to edit any of the fields and values right there, just as you would do with Excel or Google Sheets. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. To activate the use of variations for all product attributes, you must open the bulk editing tool. Once the tool is open, select the rows you want to edit. Then, select the product attributes field. Choose to change the attribute settings as the edit type. Select the setting used for variations. The new value will be yes. And here, let's choose all to activate the use of variations for all the products. Finally, execute and all the products will be updated. Another option is to activate the use of variations only for specific attributes. To do this, we will use the bulk editing tool. Once the tool is open, select the product attributes field. Select change attribute settings as the edit type. Enter the setting used for variations. The new value will be yes. Here is where you can select to activate the use of variations for the product color, size, or any other attribute you have. Finally, execute to update all the attributes. After these easy steps, you will have enabled the Used for Variations option for all the product attributes you want. It's really simple because you only have to do this process once, and with that one process, you will edit all your products, whatever they are. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.